Good morning, children. This is Shubal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter comparing quantities. We are dealing with the compound interest portion of this chapter. This is exercise 8.3 of the chapter 8, that is about compound interest or comparing quantities. Children, for this video, like I have chosen two different questions, very important questions of different concept, which preferably given like is given in every exams, almost in every exams we prefer to give this kind of questions. And this particular two questions consist of a immense knowledge of compound interest in various aspects, so we really need to understand these two questions very carefully. Let us have a look. The first, like question number 9, which I've chosen to solve. Find the amount which Ram will get on 4096, means the principal amount is 4096. Okay. Rate of interest is 12 1 by 2% per annum, and the next one is the time is 18 months. Time is 18 months, means children there are 3 6 months. Yes or no? There are 3 6 months. We really understand it in a very easy way that 18 months is of, there are 3 6 months. If, as we are asked to calculate compounded half yearly, so children, the formula for compounded half yearly is amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n, 2n. So this is the formula for compound interest half yearly. So children, what I'll write, amount is equal to principal is 4096 into 1 plus r, means children 25 by 2, because 12 1 by 2, if you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, it will be 25 by 2, and down there is 200, so into 200 whole to the power would be number of 6 months. So power, there are 3 6 months in 18 months, so the power will be 3. So children, here amount is equal to 4096 into, like we can reduce it, so I'll prefer to write 1 plus 25 by 200 whole to the power 3. Okay children, now amount is equal to 4096 into 1 plus 25 by 200 means 225 by 200, then 225 by 200, then 225 by 200. Why 3 times? Because the power is 3. Okay children, so now it's a part of calculation right now. So let us reduce it. 2 into 100 is 200. Let us cancel it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0, 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 8 2s are 16, 2048. Then again I'll cancel it by 2. 2 into 100 is 200. I'll cancel this one. 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again I'll cancel it by 2. 2 into 100, 200. 2 into this one is 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 512. So finally children, what do we have over here? We have got the calculation is 512 into 225 into 225 into 225 by 100 into 100 into 100. Okay children, so we can reduce it in a very simple way, like we can cancel it by or we can directly multiply this one. It will be pretty easier for us to understand. So if you divide, this one will be 5 8 3 2 0 0 0 0 0 0 divided by, if I multiply 512 with 225 into 225 into 225, I'll be getting this, divided by 1000000. okay, because there are like 100 into 100 into 100 gives 1 lakh. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be having, children, 5 8 5 8 3 2. This is the amount which I'm getting. This is the amount which I'm getting from this calculation. So it's 5,832. The amount which I had taken the loan of, that was of 4,096, 4096. So how much interest to be paid, children? So of course, what I need to do, I need to write the formula of compound interest, that is amount minus principal. Amount I got 5832 minus 4096. So let us go for subtraction of this number. This one will be 6 736. Okay, 736 rupees to be paid as an interest amount. So children, this is how we can simply get the answer of this kind of question. What about the next question, children? Let us talk about the next question, question number 12. Question number 12, let me write number 12 properly, it is not understandable. Number 12, a scooter was bought for rupees 42,000. Okay, cost price was 42,000 rupees. The value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. 8% depreciation. Depreciation means, children, the price reduced 8% after 1 year. Per year. Find its value after 1 year. Okay, very simple. Find out 8% of 42,000. Okay. We are going to find out 8% of 42,000 rupees. So 8 by 100 into 42,000, 0 0 0 0 got cancelled. 420 into 8, 32,000, sorry, 3,260, 3,260 rupees depreciated, means reduced, lowered. Then what will be the price after 1 year, children? Of course, depreciation means we have to subtract. So 42,000 minus 3,260 rupees should be subtracted from it, because the price reduced. Okay, the price reduced. So 0 4 7 38,740 rupees will be the price after 1 year, as there is a depreciation of 8%, as there was a depreciation of 8% per annum. So it is only after 1 year they have said. So that is why I have, find first 8% of 42,000. I got 3,260, and the price depreciated means we have to subtract it from the main cost price, which was 42,000, because we know very well, whenever we buy any scooter or a car, we buy with an amount, but when we go to sell that car or a bike, whatever, we don't get that amount, we don't get that much of price. So we need to sell it off in a lower than the buying price, because we have used it. So every year this price of the vehicles and all depreciates. So children, I hope it was absolutely understandable to everyone. If there is any doubts and confusion, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me, and try this out on your classwork copy, and please do submit this work in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.